Dear students or participants, good morning. I hope you are all well as, as it is a nice day, nice sunny morning. So I would like to welcome you all to my class, dear students. This is the identification or introduction of a teacher who is taking the class today. Have a look. Dear students, we can see a few pictures or some pictures on the slide, and in the pictures a common activity that is observed, that is noticed so far tree planting program, all the people are planting saplings. Sapling means mini size young new trees, that is called sapling. What are they doing in the pictures? I hope you have understood the fact. What are they doing in the pictures? They are planting trees. Have a look. There are two hands mixed with mud or dust. So far, a mini size saplings. It can be understood that these saplings has been planted. Yes, our today's lesson is tree plantation. And today we are going to discuss or learn tree plantation paragraph. It is a very important, necessary paragraph. So we have to learn it with great attention, with great care, with great nursing. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the participants or the students will be able to tell what tree plantation is. That means you will be able to know what tree plantation program is or tree plantation is. You will be able to describe the necessity, the importance of tree plantation. As well as you will be able to tell about the effect of deforestation, especially bad effect of deforestation. And at the end, the learners or the participants will be able to write a paragraph on the discussed topic. Trees are the most important element of nature and environment. Please, dear participants, try to understand. Trees are the most important, most necessary element of nature and environment. Not environment, that should be environment. Environment, not in, that should be N. We cannot think a healthy or happy environment without tree. It is quite impossible for us to enjoy a healthy or a happy environment without tree. A young kid, a cute baby, is sleeping on the branch of a tree. So far, she feels very comfort, sleeping or leaning on the branch of a tree. And she realizes or she feels trees are the best friend or intimate friend of human being. Yes, tree is our most intimate or close friend. So what is most essential or important for us? You may have the question, dear participants. What is most essential, most necessary, most important for us? So tree plantation is most essential and important for us. Please again, if I ask you, what is the most important or essential for us? Then you have to say tree plantation is most essential and important for us. What is tree plantation? This is the question. Then you have to say tree plantation means planting trees or saplings or growing trees. Tree plantation means planting or growing trees. Maximum people call or say trees, but it is better to say saplings. When we plant something, especially mini size tree, that is not a tree. When it becomes a full gigantic figure, then it becomes tree. But normally, that is called sapling, chara. But as maximum people say tree, that's why I have written tree. But it had been very good or positive to say to plant saplings. Why should we plant trees? We should plant trees for our existence, as we cannot live without oxygen. That means we can easily realize or understand we get oxygen from trees. Have a look, dear participants. In Bangla, I hope you know you have a clear concept, shalak সংশ্লেষণ, especially the teacher of science, general science teacher, when the honorable science teacher has discussed shalak সংশ্লেষণ, the English form of shalak সংশ্লেষণ, that is photosynthesis. Yes, in order to make a fruitful shalak সংশ্লেষণ or photosynthesis processing, some it take. That means trees take sunlight from the sun, as well as carbon dioxide from any human beings or any other animals, water, sugar. Yes, after a chemical reaction, oxygen is produced and trees also gets its food. Thus, trees release oxygen, what we need to survive. In the picture of the right portion, carbon dioxide is absorbed back into trees and oxygen is released. Trees are the factory of receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Again, please, trees are the factory of receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. That means we live by receiving oxygen from the tree. So trees are the protector for us. That means we can survive in this world to take oxygen from trees. Have a look, dear participants. Trees provide us, provide means supply. Trees provide us with shade, food, medicine, and furniture. If you are asked, what do we get from trees? Or what do trees provide us with? Then you have to say Trees provide us, supply us with food, shade, medicine, and furniture. There are some tasty fruits on the slide. Yes, we also get fruits, and we can also fill up or thirst, fill up our thirst or taste with interesting fruits all the year round. Have a look. We feel our thirst of taste with interesting fruits all year round or all the year round. We get this type of fruits almost all the year, and thus we can satisfy the thirst of taste. Yes, nice or beautiful flowers, what we get from trees. We feel delight. Delight means happy. Delight means happy. We feel happy or delight with the beauty of flowers and sweet smell. This again, we feel happy or delight with the beauty of flowers and sweet fragrance or smell. Yes, we have got two pictures on the slide. Medicine in one picture, that is in another part is herb. It is also one kind of medicine which is made, which is prepared from plants. That is called herbal medicine. Trees keep us physically fit, providing or supplying medicine and herbs. Again, dear participants, trees keep us physically fit, or trees help us to keep us physically fit, supplying or providing medicine and herbs. Trees also, or EAT, tree plantation program, protect us from river erosion by their roots. The roots of the trees protect the soil from being erosion becoming, yes, that means if we plant trees at the bank of the riverside, the roots of the trees will protect the soil or river bank from being washed away. Have a look. Moreover, tree protects river erosion. Yes, trees also provide or supply shelter to the birds or other beasts or animals. Have a look. It gives shelter to the birds and beasts. Trees also help us to keep our environment balanced, maintaining ecosystem. In Bangla, Bastu Samsthan or food chain as well as it ensures the ecological balance of our environment. This again, dear students, it ensures the ecological balance of our environment. To keep to keep the ecological balance, trees are very important or necessary. Without trees, it is quite impossible to keep the balance of our environment. If we alter anything, then the hampers will be caused later on. So it can be easily understood that trees are very important or necessary to keep the environment balanced, especially ecological balance. What kind of tree should we plant? We should plant all kinds of tree, like medicinal tree, flower tree, and tree of furniture and shelter. Left one, aloe vera, that is medicinal tree. A heavy plank-based tree. From that tree we get furniture as well as shelter. And at the right one we have got flower tree, a rose. What is the best time to plant tree? July, the first week of the July. That is the high time for us to plant tree. That is the first week of July is the best time of planting trees because it is the tree plantation week. If you are asked which week or which month, the first week of which month is observed the tree plantation week, then you have to say the first week of July is observed as tree plantation week. What happens if we do not plant tree? If we do not plant tree, our country will become into desert for deforestation, and all living beings or animals will lose their existence. They will lose their habitat or living place. So the importance of tree plantation is easily realized. We can easily understand. What should be our duty now? That's why we should plant trees more and more in any blank space, like open and unused place by the side of the house, roads, highways, by the side of schools, colleges, offices, to ensure happy, healthy, fresh environment. Yes, homework, write a paragraph on the importance of tree plantation with the information that you learned from your class. Take a screenshot on this slide. Dear participants, you have got the permission to unmute your device. Do you have any question to your teacher? Dear participants?
No.
No. Take a
Sir.
screenshot. Yes, sir.
Sir, element মানে কি?
Element?
Element.
Element, sir, element.
Eminent. Famous. স্বনামধন্য।
স্যার এলিমেন্ট বলছি।
Or element, things, উপাদান।
হ্যাঁ।
উপাদান বা things.
আর existence
that are survive. অস্তিত্ব in বাংলা।
অস্তিত্ব।
অস্তিত্ব।
Assalamu alaikum.
Is there any
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
Walaikum assalam.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম। স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Stay safe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার।